Hello, this is Satvika from DVRD Narsapur CSC section. This video I'm going to explain about recursion, scope of variables, and storage classes. Recursion is a process where a function calls itself, use it to solve problems that can be broken into smaller subproblems. Example applications, factorial calculation, tree structures. How recursion works. Recursion requires base case, stops recursion, is recursive call, function calling itself. Without a base case, recursion leads to infinite loop. Yeah, in this slide, you can see a clear example of one recursion. In fact, and if n equals to 0, return 1, base case. This is base case. Return n, fact n minus 1, recursive call. Main function, fact 5, evaluates like 5 into 4 into 3 into 20. It breaks into smaller pieces and multiplies. The final result is multiplication. Advantages of recursion. Code becomes simpler and clean, useful for divide and conquer problems. Disadvantages: takes more memory, stack usage, slow execution compared to loops. Scope of variables. Scope defines where a variable can be accessed in two types. There are two types: local variables, global variables. Local variables, they are declared inside a function or block, can be used within that function. Memory is allocated when function is called, destroyed after exist. Example, void main function, int a equals to 10, local variable. This is the local variable where the integer is defined inside the function. Now global variables, they are declared outside all functions, can be accessed by all functions in the program. Memory exists for entire program execution. Example, int x equals to 10. This is the global variable which is declared outside the function. Storage classes. Storage classes define lifetime of variables, scope of variables, default initial value, storage location. In this, there are few types: auto, static, register, external. Auto storage classes, default for variable declared inside functions, lifetime. Only inside the function, memory stack. Example, auto int 5. Static storage classes, return value even after function exists. Useful for counters in function. Example, static int count equals to 0. Register storage classes, stored in CPU register instead of RAM. Faster access used for frequency access to variables. Example, register int I. External storage classes, used to access global variable declared in another file, does not create new memory. Example, external int. This is the end of the video. Thank you.